Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk and I'm a makeup artist, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your beautiful eye makeup looks using your fingers as well as the Bourjois Smoky Stories. And those are quad eyeshadow palettes. This one is 02 over Rose, and I do understand why they are still on the market because they've been on there like for quite some time and they are still the best sellers. And I do understand why, because just look at the color theme. They are still like trendy. You can wear them on an everyday base without looking like a clown, and they are so affordable. Like Bourjois is a brand that's very affordable and creates natural makeup that you can wear in real life. And so with this one I've got also a few other ones because I just love them so much and the color themes. And so I came up with two eye makeup looks which I'm going to show you right now, and I've only used my finger for it, and I just want to keep it as simple and quick as possible but still creating a beautiful eye makeup look. Which also brings me to the first eye makeup look, and I just thought of doing like 2 colors per look, and I'm going to start off with the first step, which is applying the Smoky Rose, the shade right here, on the main lid area and then blending it through the crease. Now once you have applied it on the main lid area and you want to blend some edges away, you always can take a clean finger that will help you with it, as well as if you have certain areas like your inner corner and you want to use also a little bit more like for example the pinky, then you can reach the inner corner easily. And this is also why using your fingers is so helpful. And now for the next step, I'm going to apply the glitter shadow on top of the dusty rosy shade, which is the one in the middle, and I'm also going to use the finger of course. And because this one is more like a glitter rather than a shimmer, you have to press it on at first and then start blending it a little bit more towards the crease. And there you have it. Once you have applied the glitter, then this is already the first look that I want to share with you. And I've also used the 2 colors that are in the palette. So now it's time to move on to the next eye makeup look. Now for the second look, I'm going to use the colors that I haven't touched on yet, which is the darker one and this lighter shadow. And so I'm going to start off with the darker shadow, which I'm definitely going to place towards the outer corner, and then blending it a slightly bit with my finger towards the midsection so that we have later on a beautiful gradient going on. And so now for the next step, I'm also going to use the lighter shadow on the main lid area and blending it into the browner tone, as well as using my finger. And so this is the second eye makeup look that I came up with, and to finish it off you all need a little bit more of mascara to open the eye, and then there you have it. And you can just create beautiful eye makeup looks in such an easy way using your fingers. And this is also the video and the tutorial that I wanted to share with you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it, as this is an independent channel, which means that I'm buying the products with my own money. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!